So hey guys, so try natin sagutan tong problem na to sa concurrent force. So the three ropes are tied to a small metal ring. At the end of each rope, three students are pulling. So each trying to move the ring in their direction. If you look down from above, the forces and direction they are applying are shown in the figure. So find the net force on the ring due to the three applied forces. So yung pinapahanap sa atin is yung net force dito. So, ano yung net force? Ano ibig sabihin ng net force? So, ito yung, it is also called as a resultant force. Ito yung summation ng lahat ng forces acting on a body. So, paano natin yan? Di ba alam? So, alam naman natin na kapag nakaslope yung force natin, may dalawang components dyan, which is yung vertical component at saka yung horizontal component, which is yung x and y component natin. Gagawa lang tayo ng free diagram niya. So, ganito lang, no? So, dito yung 30 pounds. May angle na 37 degree. Tsaka ito yung 80 pounds. Ito ay may 60 degree. Then, ito ay 50 pounds. So, may 45 degree. So, dito yung dalawang components dito sa forces natin, no, is ito yung y, tsaka ito yung x. So, ito yung y, tsaka ito yung x. Ito yung y, ito yung x. So, ang gagawin natin dito since ito ay net force or resultant. So, di ba kapag resultant is it is equal sa r sub x squared plus r sub y squared. So, ang gagawin natin since may tatlong slope force dito is sum up lang natin lahat ng x component at saka lahat ng y component. So, mag-start tayo sa x component, which is yung r sub x natin is equal sa summation forces horizontal. So, r sub x is equal sa, first is yung 37 degree, dito tayo sa 30 pounds. So, since yung x component natin dito is papuntang right, so positive 30 cos 37. Then, yung 50 pounds natin dito is, yung x component natin dito is papuntang left. So, magiging negative 50 cos 45 degrees. So, then last is yung 80 pounds. So, yung x component natin dito is papuntang left. Is negative also 80 pounds times cos 60 degrees. So, r sub x is equal sa 51.40 pounds. So, negative ito. So, yung direction niya is to the left. So, ito yung isang component natin sa x component natin. So, next is yung r sub y natin. So, yung r sub y natin is equal sa summation forces vertical. So, r sub y, so lahat ng vertical dito is mag-start tayo sa 30 pounds. So, ito ay upward. So, 30 sine 37. Then, so 50 pounds. Ito ay upward. So, positive 50 sine 45. Then last is yung 80 pounds natin, which is downward. So, magiging negative 80 sine 60. So, sine 60. So, r sub y natin is equal sa negative 15.87 pounds. So, r sub y natin is 15.87 pounds downward. So, yung resultant natin dito is square root of 51.40 squared plus 15.87 squared. Yung resultant natin dito is 53.79 pounds. So, yung direction niya is downward to the left. Kasi, dito sa r sub y natin is downward. So, yung r sub x natin is to the left. So, yung angle niya is to saan to malulukit. So, yung angle niya is simple lang arctan. So, arctan r sub y is equals r sub y over r sub x. So, substitute natin 15.87 over 51.40. So, yung angle niya is 17.16 degree. So, therefore, the net force of the ring is 53.79 pounds downward to the left at theta 17.16. So, ito na yung sagot sa problem natin. That's it.